رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are watching Sami al-Quran online classes. Inshallah, in today's class, we will start Noorani Qaida, lesson number 9, which name is Leen letters. In this lesson, we will learn what are the Leen letters and how to pronounce them. Let us start now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So here you can see there are two Leen letters, Waw and Ya. So we have two Leen letters which are Waw and Ya. Whenever these two letters are in special condition, then make soft sound, like not too long or not too short. Just read with the soft sound. Now the sakin, what is sakin? The name of this sign is sukun or jazam, like this sign name is sukun or jazam. A letter which has a sukun on it is called sakin. Here you can see this is waw sakin because it has the sukun sign on it. And here is ya sakin because it has sukun on it. So everywhere you see any letter with the sukun sign, we call it sakin letter. So here I will explain you the waw leen and the ya leen. First we read what is waw leen. So what is waw leen? The definition of waw leen: when there is fatha before waw sakin, it is called waw leen. And here you can see the condition of waw leen. So this is waw and waw coming with the sukun sign. So this is waw sakin and before it coming fatha, so it is waw leen. Whenever waw sakin before comes the fatha sign, so then we read with soft sound, as we read ba waw fatha baw. We don't stretch it, as we read ba waw fatha baw. And the second is same here, tha waw fatha thaw, dal waw fatha daw. And now we read here the example of waw leen. So this is qaf waw fatha qaw. We read with the soft sound, we don't stretch it, as we read qaw mim double fatha man qawman qawman. So this is waw leen. I hope you understand the waw leen. So the second is ya leen. What is ya leen? So when there is fatha before ya sakin, it is called ya leen. So now here you can see the condition of ya leen. So here this is ya sakin and before it coming here fatha, so it is ya leen. This is the condition of ya leen. So here we read ba ya fatha bay, ba ya fatha bay. And the second is tha ya fatha thay. And here dal ya fatha day. So now we read the example of ya leen. In this word you can see here lam ya fatha lay, sin fatha sa, laysa, laysa. We don't stretch here because it is ya leen. In the both leen letters we read with the soft sound. I hope you understand the waw leen in ya leen definition. If you want to read Quran online at home with live classes for kids and adults from qualified Quran tutors, visit now samialquran.com and register for 3 days free trial classes. So we start from here. Ba waw fatha baw. It is waw leen. We read with the soft sound. Ba ya fatha bay. it is Yalin. We read with the soft sound. Bow, bay. So first we read with spelling, and second time we read without spelling, like bow, bay. Ta waw fatha taw, ta ya fatha tay, taw tay. Tha waw fatha thaw, tha ya fatha thay, thaw thay. Jim waw fatha jaw, jim ya fatha jay, jaw jay. Ha waw fatha haw, ha ya fatha hay, haw hay. Kha waw fatha khaw. And also you remember the all green letters we read with the bold sound. As we read kha waw fatha khaw, kha ya fatha khay, khaw khay. Dal waw fatha daw, dal ya fatha day, daw day. Dhal waw fatha dhaw, dhal ya fatha they, dhaw they. Ra waw fatha raw, ra ya fatha ray, raw ray. Za waw fatha zaw, za ya fatha zay, zaw zay. Sin waw fatha saw, sin ya fatha say, saw say. Shin waw fatha shaw, shin ya fatha shay, shaw shay. Sad waw fatha saw, sad ya fatha say, saw say. Zad waw fatha zaw, zad ya fatha zay, zaw zay. Ta waw fatha taw, ta ya fatha tay, taw tay. Dha waw fatha dhaw, dha ya fatha dhay, dhaw dhay. Ain waw fatha aw, ain ya fatha ay, aw ay. Ghain waw fatha ghaw, ghain ya fatha ghay, ghaw ghay. Fa waw fatha faw, fa ya fatha fay, faw fay. Qaf waw fatha qaw, qaf ya fatha qay, qaw qay. Kaf waw fatha kaw, kaf ya fatha kay, kaw kay. Lam waw fatha law, lam ya fatha lay, law lay. Mim waw fatha maw, mim ya fatha may, maw may. Nun waw fatha naw, nun ya fatha nay, naw nay. Waw waw fatha waw, waw ya fatha way, waw way. Ha waw fatha haw, ha ya fatha hay, haw hay. Hamza waw fatha aw, hamza ya fatha ay, أو أي. So here we completed our lesson number 9. I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any kind of question, so please drop your question in comment section. Inshallah, I will give you reply soon as possible. See you in next class. Have a good day. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.